Well, Gigi Hadid has Gigi Hadid it. The 20-year-old model sensation will walk during the Victoria's Secret fashion show. And no one understands what a big deal this is more than Gigi herself. The model insted it out, fighting back tears, saying, "Anyone that grew up with me knows that getting this show has been a dream of mine forever, one of the happiest moments of my life." Wow, that must feel like one heck of an accomplishment for the girl that's already done so much. Gigi will walk on December 9th and will be joined on the runway with many of her model friends, as well as performers Rihanna, Selena Gomez, and The Weeknd. It's the best thing to walk into before the end of the year.